Because fundamentals are boring. Learn market research doesn't get views. Master cold calling doesn't sound sexy. If I do the free program, people never committed. Never. Why your heroes pivot to education? Why? Why they pivot their game to education business? Is your dream to become Nate Hark or Nick Sarev, Liam Audley? I'm a big fan of them. I respect them, but that's not my path. Dream big, dude. I want to beat Elon Musk. I want to leave a legacy like a Steve Jobs. Here's what nobody talk about. AI is just hammer. You can become a hammer company selling hammers to other people. Or you can use that hammer to build a rocket. I'm going to show you how to build rockets. And this is my future. I'm here like Elon Musk, Jordan Peterson, Alex Hormoz, Ryan Holiday, Steve Jobs. All right, let's go. In 28 minutes, I will show you why your AI agencies makes $0, the framework that actually works, and the business fundamentals AI education wasn't teach you. A live example of validating a business in 3 hours, and the real proof with actual number. Don't be hyped, just share results. All right, let's jump into it. I need to confess something. I made 50,000 MRR teaching AI education and 40,000 YouTube subscriber and 400 community member, 100 plus mastermind at $2,000. Everyone, right? I was living the dream, right? But here's what I never told anyone. My students' success rate was maybe 2%. If I'm being generous. Why? Because I was teaching them to sell hammer, like this kind of hammer. There is a lot of competitors and everyone else was teaching them to sell hammer. Right now, there are 100,000 plus people learning AI automation. All of them try to sell to the same local business. All of them offering the same things. I can automate your business with AI, We'll reframing these words. And here's uncomfortable part. And your prospects don't care about AI. They don't wake up thinking, I need AI automation today. They wake up thinking about their real problems. For example, restaurant owner, they worried about orders, not AI. The real estate agent, they are worried about leads, not automation. That e-commerce seller, they are worried about sales and not workflows. You are trying to sell AI itself. That's the problem. This is most of people's problem. The market is oversaturated and you are playing the wrong game. Let me show you a different game. And this is a different game. One of my Bible, 10x is easier than 2x. The shift that changed everything. Don't sell AI automation. Use AI to build solutions in proven industry. I call this 10x game and is what nobody talks about. Let me show you what I mean with my own example. I'm building something called Execution Squad, but I'm not selling it as AI automation for business. This is exactly hammer game. Everyone playing the same game like selling hammer. Instead, I'm selling business execution tracking that forces you to ship. It happened to use AI, but that's not what I'm selling. And here's where it gets interesting. Those 100,000 people learning AI automation, they are not my competitors anymore. They are my target customers because they are stuck in learning mode, tutorial hell, in the bucket of school. Here is tutorial hell. Buying courses, watching tutorials, and never shipping. That's the problem I'm solving. See the shift? When you sell AI automation, you're competing with over 100,000 people, like 145,000, 249,000 people. When you use AI to solve a proven problem in the proven market, those 100,000 people become your customers. Your AI competitors become your customers when you change the game. Think about this. Don't sell AI for restaurant. Sell better DoorDash portals that get more orders, what we did. Don't sell AI for real estate. Sell virtual staging that sells home faster. Don't sell AI for e-commerce. Sell product description that convert. I know this is not a sexist business, so we call this these days a boring business. But AI part, that's just your advantage. This is how you build something that scales beyond your time. But here's what most people miss. Don't lose the fundamentals. Everyone thinks AI changes everything. They say traditional business is dead. Just learn these tools to print money. If everyone can print money, why there is poor people? And AI is the future. Hey, dude, I've heard this before. Same patterns as Shopify dropshipping, crypto, NFTs. Where's there right now? No techno. This is just new technology. Everyone rush it in. Most people fail. Why? It doesn't change it because AI doesn't change business fundamental. Let me give you the 3 fundamentals nobody wants to hear. First fundamental, problem over solution. Most AI agents say, I can build your AI workflows. That's solution first thinking. You built a hammer and now you are looking for nails. But winning approach is different. Find the problem they already know they have. This is a point they already know. You don't need to change their mind. This is impossible, to be honest. My execution squad example is AI service provider stuck in learning mode will pay to force themselves to execute. They already know they are stuck. I knew that. I did, and you're doing right now. I'm not creating a new problem. I'm solving the one they already have. Fundamental number 2, market over product. Most AI agencies build cool AI tools first, then find someone who needs it. This is backwards. Winning approach is find a proven market with proven pain, and then use AI to solve it better, faster, and cheaper. I saw some paradoxical industry trends. People, when integrate AI, they charge a per price, increase the price. But think about it. That company's research is going down. They only to pay OpenAI or Cloud API, and they can fire other employees. But why that kind of people upper their price? This is AI hype right now. Yeah, this is AI hype. So back to our chicken shot approach. Restaurants already pay for food photography. That's the proven market. I just use AI to do it for $29 instead of $300. I didn't invent a new market. Do not invent the wheel. I entered in existing with an advantage. Fundamental 3, execution over idea. Most AI agencies perfect the offer. They read already 100 million offers and money model and leads, learn all tools from this kind of community, build a portfolio, then launch. This takes money and you still don't know if anyone will pay. Winning approach is test in 3 hours, get real data and iterate. Move fast as much as possible. I will show you exactly how in a minute. Why AI educators don't teach this? Because fundamentals are boring. Learn market research doesn't get views. Master cold calling doesn't sound sexy. Validate before building doesn't fill masterminds. But AI education secrets, that fills courses. Here's what they are not telling you. They are teaching you to sell hammers because selling courses is their 10x game. They found a proven market, people who want to make money online. They are solving proven problem, people looking for the next opportunity, and they are using their advantage. They already did it once. But here's the thing, just because it's their 10x game doesn't mean it's yours. This is brutal truth. Yeah, this is the point. I don't want to blame that game, but their game doesn't mean it's yours. I think this kind of community-based online education business, most of is the best scaled business until under $100 million R right now. This is the easiest way to earn $100 million ARR. But we already know that there is no people like over $1 billion only using this kind of community business. So I want to play a different game. Solve the real problem they already know they have. Don't create a new problem like AI automation services. Now, let me show you exactly how to do this. How to actually build. I'm going to walk you through my exact 3-hour process. This is what I actually did with execution squad. First 10 minutes, setting. First 10 minutes, make hypothesis, not a product. This is closer to promise, right? Most people start with, I'm going to build an AI automation agency. That's not a hypothesis. That's just a vague direction. I really hate that. And here's how I actually did it. And this is my first hypothesis. AI service providers stuck in learning mode will pay $197 monthly. to force themselves to execute. And then I scale down this promise according to these 4 filters. Smaller commitment, 7 days, not a monthly, and clear outcome. Themselves execute, though does not, will say first dollar. And personal touch 101, scaling down, and refundable deposit, skin in the game, but safe. We only pay Stripe cancellation fee, but we can get whole people's testimonial and we can film in their transformation. And my first hypothesis, paradoxically, will be my last hypothesis. Better than people stuck in tutorial hell spending $2,000 on courses, but making $0 will pay $297 for a 7 days one-on-one program that forces them to make them first dollar. That makes momentum. And this is testable, this is specific, and this is what you can validate in 3 hours. And the next 1 hour, build minimum valuable offer. I think you guys know that MVP words, minimum valuable product. But this concept, MVO, minimum valuable offer. Here's what I actually built for Execution Squad. First thing first, create Notion page and 7 days structure overview of what happens each day, and requirements and expectation. That's it, no fancy website, just clarity. And step 2, made a Google form. It should be simple, name, email, and phone. And what are you trying to build? And why are you stuck in a phase? And connect it to Google Sheet for tracking. There's a few alternative, Airtable or Calendly. And then after this form or sales meeting, we can go step 3, Stripe payment link. Do not connect backend, just make a Stripe product link. It only takes 1 minute, and then set up basic automation. When someone pay our product, just send confirming email through Zapier or internal automation feature. I'm going to share real-time, step-by-step workflow. This is my Execution Squad pilot program website. Really simple, just a Notion document and publish it. Just write it down using code with my thought. Very simple. You have AI skills but 0 customers, and you are worried about where your next client will coming from. Stressed, can't sleep, hair going gray. And should I build an AI SaaS or start an agency? Build a personal brand. What about AI agent? Everyone's talking about AI agent. Just here is this empathy section. And then show your credibility. Here's the truth nobody tell you. My concert image, and when I close my client image, and just say your portfolio shut down, 50,000 MRR AI education business, blah blah blah. And I like these words, this sentence. English is my second language, my first language is execution. So, and then explain this system's roadmap. Day 1, one-on-one Zoom call, and we validate your hypothesis and set your execution plans. And day 2 to 6, you execute 30 plus outreach daily using proven method. And day 7, one-on-one Zoom call. We'll leave you the data. So here is roadmap section. And this pilot program is 100% free if they submit all assignment. Outreach 30 plus a day, according to our proven outreach system. I'm gonna give you email or DM and cold call, everything, and submit screenshot to tracking seed every day. That's it, no commitment framework, no theory, just execution. Here is commitment section. And you can get proven outreach template and daily Slack support with me and Daniel, a real-time Airtable tracking dashboard, and 2 times one-on-one Zoom calls. Investment is $300, 100% refundable if you complete all assignments. If you skip our assignment, we keep the money. And skin in the game changes everything. I can do this free workflow. Why do I do that? Because if I do the free program, people never commit it. Never. I'm saying, if I don't pay the money, I never do that. We need a portfolio at first. So I decide I will pay the cancellation fee too at Stripe, and you can get 100% back. So this is a pilot program, all access filmed, and maybe share on our YouTube channel. And testimonial is mandatory. This is condition, investment, and requirements. I will make this at Airtable, okay? And who this is for? You have AI skills, but no customer. You are tired of learning and ready to execute. You can commit to 30 plus daily outreach for 7 days. You want a diet, not a dream. There was only 10 one-on-one spot available. After this 10, we'll change whole program structure more scalable. One-on-one challenge, this is not a scalable, right? Yeah, and my email, my tagline, that's it. This is our first landing page. Someone laugh about this page because, yeah, to be honest, this is not kind of former landing page. But think about that. We just need to deliver our whole concept. So publish this page, change URL, a pilot program, and customize this size setting. I like a light theme. We're gonna make a favicon Figma. This is really easy. 32 pixel, hit the pixel, and our own is execution squad. I use EX. Font will be Figma hand. I like this font. Bold, EX, radius, favicon. Export favicon. All right, and change this image. Perfect. And then customized our header. I don't want to see like this kind of something. Brad, delete, and publish. All right, let's check our first website. 100% free, 7 days to your first AI customers, no courses. I will change this video to my VSL and add here, we will use Calendly buttons. All right, we're done our first website. And next thing is made a Google form. I'm gonna change this to Calendly. This is more fit for us. You can use your free account. That's enough. Profile, logout, login. Okay. We're gonna create our Calendly account. Sign up with Google. My email account. Continue on my own. Schedule meeting. Yes. Sale. Hi AI Chris Lee. Yeah. Connect my Google Calendar. Yes. And set your time. Here's the trick. I set our time to whole around day. I'm going to explain why I do that. Cool. And next we'll use Zoom. Connect the Zoom. Okay, we made it. 30 minutes meeting. Execution squad pilot. Change the color blue. Duration will be 45 minutes. Zoom and the duration set. Location is Zoom and availability. Invitees can schedule only 5 days calendar day, at least 4 hours. Right? Okay, save change and more. Click the more option. There is invite form. We add a few questions at Calendly. My first question is commitment level. Question 1, commitment level. Can you do 30 plus outreach daily for 7 days? Type is checkbox. Yes. Only left yes. Required. Question 2, your business idea. What are you selling? Required 1 line. Yeah, keep it simple. Target customer. Who will pay for it? And last one, value hypothesis. Why will they pay? Required. Will be multiple line. Perfect. And I will connect my payment account. But what we're gonna do is later. After our Calendly meeting, we will send our Stripe account while we're meeting. So this is not necessary right now. Save change. And then check this link. Copy link. Boom. We can do this time. This is too much time right now. So a few change we needed. More option. Booking page option. 45 minutes. Show the starting time. 45. And let's check my calendar. I already set up my non-negotiable time and sleep time. Like this. This is my new account. And people can register, hold this time. Yeah, that's it. Color is green. Okay, and click this buttons and add Notion button. And this, if they click that buttons, open page or URL, add your Calendly URL, done. No, this button is too small. And make a big size button. Book strategy call. 100% free. Okay, copy this at the bottom too. And the middle, save. Let's check it will works. If someone click these buttons, go to Calendly. We can choose date in 5 days, 2 to 9 p.m. right now. Click the buttons, email, and name, commitment level. Can you do 30 plus outreach daily for 7 days? Yes, your business idea. 1, 2, 3. Schedule event. Boom, we're done. And then we can get the email notification from Calendly. New event, Taehyun Lee, like this. And I will give you one tip. Calendly already have automate system. Here is a workflow. Click the email reminder to, and here is Calendly notification workflow. And we can add email reminder on 24 hours before event. Edit this, add 12 hours before event and 1 hours before event. Save. Perfect. Save, save, save. And the execution is called pilot. And I'm gonna get their phone number to invite form, name, email, and add one more question. Phone number. What is your number? This is question 1. Save change. Now we create this step 2. And go to step 3, add the Stripe payment link. Go to your Stripe account, login, verification, and then here is strict product, payment, and payment link. This is most easiest create payment. Just make that, add new product. The name is Execution Squad Pilot. Description will be 7 days to your AI first customers, no courses. Boom. And image, we don't have image. Preset, just general service, one time off, $297 USD at the product. Okay, create link. Let's check our Stripe link. Boom, it's working right now. So while our meeting, we will send this link and that customer's payment through this link. So we done step 3 and go to step 4. Set up basic automation, already done. Everyone's setting like this. Yeah, this is VO. We don't have a product, not yet. Just we only have promise and sell label workflow. Now we'll go to sell, not build. Build is later, after you get a payment. Most people spend months building, then try to sell. I do it backwards. I sell first. Here's my actually execution squad process. Where I want. Where is my customer? Where is them? Just think about that. AI service provider, they are in school, mainly school, and a few expert group inside X, and they share their process through built-in public content strategy. Make sense, right? And what I did, how can I sell them? I can send 100 DMs in 3 hours, 100 DM in 3 hours, or manually, no automation yet, real conversation. I'm an automation guy, but I never automated before I validate, right? And then I'm gonna make a workflow. It means just make a seed, tracking seed, someone's name, email, or handle of X, and stage. Where are they right now? Lead, conversation, reply. I will show you this process. And template. Template means outreach template. For example, I saw your post about blah, 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 and you're stuck in the learning mode, buying courses. I was that. I did. And now I learned my pilot program. I'll force you to execute one-on-one for 7 days. Make your first dollar or get full $297. Are you interested? Simple, direct, and specific. And here is rule. You have to stick with this rule. Do everything manually until 10 paid customers. Only 10. Not too much, not too less. After 10 paid customers, change your business. Find scalable and automatable process workflow. So to recap, sell first, build second, automate last. Right? This is opposite of what everyone teaches, but is what actually works. This is fundamental business process. Now let me show you real proof. Here is my tiny account, and I will do massive action. This is first day to build Twitter follower. Now I have 11 followers right now, and do the massive action. First thing first, set follows, 50 follows, your target audience. Where is my target audience? Like they follow Nate Hark. I'll follow him. And then we're gonna see, get a leads, my target influencers follower. And then what I'm gonna do is just connect them. Right after 1 hour, I'm done to send followers and comments and 20 DMs. This is manual work, but manual first and automate later when you got the data. I brought my example, chicken shot here. And this is my main proof because I have complete data. If I use the hammer approach, AI automation for restaurant, but my approach is different. Your DoorDash portal are losing you money. I will fix them for $29. Let me walk you through the exact 3-hour process. Hypothesis, I'm living in Vancouver right now. Vancouver chicken restaurants will pay $29 for better DoorDash portals. Like this. And build MVP, created simple landing pages in 1 hour, go high level. This is really simple. Chicken shot. This is our full landing page. That's it, right? Just our demo and how it works. We already analyze winning product, winning chicken shot, and upload, transform, and profit. And we make a before and after example using Nano Banana, right? And this whole work did Daniel, our creative director, and Sal, sent 300 outreach email to BC restaurants and made 3 door-to-door visiting. I filmed this all, it's on my channel, one of my most favorite video. And they won results, 1 paying customer, $29, and they gave us 3 chicken menu and egg tart. We ate that. So totally we get a $60 a day and 1 potential lead a day. They called back next day and total revenue is $29. Total cost is 0, not a mid-journey. We use Nano Banana. And time invest, 3 hours only. That's it. And then we get a data. Analyze this, why this works, proven market. Restaurants already pay photographers $200 to $500 and clear problem. That portals lost orders, they already know this. And low friction offer. If I provide $300 photographer, I think maybe they never accept this offer. This is only $29, but because we have a confidence to make this automated like other SaaS and immediately delivery. 24 hours only we can deliver. And before we charge, we already made a free offer. You can check this detail in our chicken generate video. And use AI as an advantage, not the product. This is the main. We are just chicken photographers. Using AI, not selling AI chicken generator. So stop selling the hammer, start building the rocket. Ideas are worthless and execution is everything. Dude, uncomfortable truths. Let me tell you something. Your role models, the AI automation YouTubers, the course creators, the mastermind leaders, they might be playing the wrong game for you. All right, let's search AI automation. There is a lot of automation guys. One of my best is Nick. I'm a big fan of him. But different game, I do. Why your heroes pivot to education? Why? Why they pivot their game to education business? Most AI agency owners hit a ceiling around 20,000 or 30,000 per month. If they reach that amount, they definitely 1% outlier. Why? Because you're selling your time. You can only take so many clients, so they pivoted. They start teaching, they start selling courses. And here's the thing, teaching hammer selling pays better than selling hammers. That's their 10x game. They found a proven market. People want to make money online and proven problem, looking for opportunities, and they are using their advantage. Good for them, seriously, right? But is that 10x game? Dream bigger than your teacher. I never accept advice that people who underdreamed than my dream. Is it right grammar? Yeah. Anyway, I think you understand my English, right? My English is not my first language. My first language is execution, guys. So dream bigger than your teacher. Elon Musk didn't teach others to build rockets. He built rockets. Steve Jobs didn't run masterminds. He built products. Sam Altman didn't sell courses. He built OpenAI. They use technology to solve massive problems, improve market. And the questions nobody asks, if AI agencies work so well, why did everyone pivot to teaching? Why aren't they still learning agencies? Why is everyone selling courses about AI automation instead of actually doing AI automation? Answer is simple, because there is a ceiling and they found their 10x gain rate. But you don't have to inherit their ceiling. This is AI automation ceiling, but if you choose different game, this ceiling offer, then you know. Why this beats the agency model? Okay, traditional AI automation agencies, they learn tools, make.com, N8N, Cursor, whatever, 1 month building portfolio, 3 months getting first client. And the best case, they cap at $20,000 months selling your time, and 6 months plus to revenue. But most of 98% case still in here. They didn't get first client because they make unnecessary product. Nobody wants that product. So we change our path using AI in proven market. 3 hours validating hypothesis, 1 week getting 10 manual customers, and 1 month automating and improving. Scale beyond your time, selling product, not hours, and profitable from day one, like our chicken shot generator. Yeah, one pass has your selling hammers with a ceiling. I want to ask, do you want to selling hammers or build rocket using this hammer? Don't inherit someone else's ceiling, build your own rocket. Okay, the real challenge, you've watched it 30 minutes? I'm not sure how long this takes. Now what? Here's what to do this week. Not the next month, this week, pick one proven market. In my case, execution squad, AI service providers stuck in learning mode, execution forcing system. My execution squad, I really like it. This is one of my dream product. After validating manual process, I'm gonna make this to my SaaS product. And restaurant with bad food total optimization, my chicken shop. And here's other example, real estate, virtual staging, and e-commerce seller AI description generator, coaches with no content repurposing system. Here's a key, proven market and proven pain, and people already paying for solution. And step 2, use my 3-hour test. First 1 hour, to be honest, is under 10 minutes. Make your hypothesis and fill in this template. Specific target you already know, will pay X dollars for specific outcome. And make this bite size, make it clear, make it testable like our before. And our 2, build your MVP. Notion page or simple landing page using high level or Webflow, whatever you do. And payment link, Stripe, product link, and basic email confirmation system automate. And no product yet. Please, no product yet before you get a client. Just the promise. And our 3, sell. 100 DMs, email or call, manual outreach, and clear conversations. Maybe your offer or promise should be changed according to client needs. And then track how many said yes, how many asked the question, and how many said no. And step 3, do it manually first. Proves they will actually pay. Proves you can deliver value. And show you what they really need. That should be teaches you the real problems. Okay. Define a challenge. While you watched this video, someone validate their hypothesis. Someone got their first paying customer. And someone proved their idea was wrong and pivoted to something better. What will you do? Will you spend another month learning tools? Will you buy another courses? Will you wait until everything is perfect? Or will you test something in 3 hours? My chicken shot example, 3 hours, $30 revenue, profitable from day one. And then we can decide, scale this chicken shot product or just left data and then pivot. Now it's your turn. Ideas are worthless and execution is everything. Dude, stop selling the hammer. Start building rocket.